My people, I beg more listen to this our brother message to these desperate married couples. Listen to this our brother. Play the video.
Wọ́n bọ́ sunu aka emi kan gba kin wa do mo speaker no kona mu wa ona pe music wa ni ho de no go yen wo oni go we do mo lati ani yen wo mu go lati ono so na ti be na people wa bo so do bi on na wọ́n bọ́ sunu wa mweni maria wa fie ya go ye kene gbe awi ni Nigeria yedo awi bi Yoruba wi yedo maparewo na maparo Europe na ombo sunu na jena magbo we be coronavirus na yetu kion abetu we mu irisu we gani no koje no party Jennifer we o ti Jennifer big yash Jennifer sumonya shiwo yeno ko elukuluku u von lele ya we yina catapult do ku von toto we nwe egbuwe ma se pe we si ma boro gwan gbe voya di put nu wa television we re bena aninyere nene ewejikan weni mege oni ewejikan abriba soni nínú ma no teni ne wejikan ji nínú ma no teni ne wejikan ji we be go di gbalopo we ya fe di gbalopo gbaliwe we ri sali kere ni ande o ri so le fa ade ne bo yakeru wa we bege ya we na we aye tu ki on me muna yego yetu kyo ola ekabinere irepana ana ibe tu wajiban ado we yamala kive Nigeria amala kive Nigeria ado mu social media na mahia on bo sunu amu bo penu we nínú ko na go volele yo we gbegbe u gbegbe lele ya e pure ha o wa ka ibe na ya gwa no wa lieva gwa fare aliye va gwa fare wa gbere yin wona oni buje ni me ma poro me na pina nu we no kwa ne gbegbe na o we no pia ni ma ni super ki yan na edote China di gba we coronavirus ni no pia na ge o yere ma yen no yan gi o mu da to we koti gi ye be gbe e koti be gbe su ti be gbe e koti gi no be gbe o bozua umweri agweze wo biteme no sebo
Iye boy
ona kaka bo wa dame ayo okyo wi okwo na
Iye boy obo kin aye ogi agbo mi we wa o Me I play again. This guy mouth no good. Me I play again.
Why e no coronavirus na yetu kion me a. E na yetu kion me. E o kuna. Eri ma o mo ba le do agwa gon wa e government agwa gon wa wọ́n bọ́ sunu aka emi kan gba kin wa do mo speaker no kona mu wa ona pe music wa ni ho de no go yen wo oni go we do mo lati ani yen wo mu go lati ono so na ti be na people wa bo so do bi on me na wọ́n bọ́ sunu wọ́n wa mweni maria wa fie ya go ye kene gbe awi ni Nigeria yedo awi bi Yoruba wi yedo maparewo na maparo Europe na ombo sunu na jena magbo we be coronavirus na yetu kion abetu we mu irisu we gani no koje no party Jennifer we o ti Jennifer big yash Jennifer sumonya shiwo yeno ko elukuluku u von lele ya we yina catapult do ku von toto we nwe egbuwe ma se pe we si ma boro gwan gbe voya di put nu wa television we re bena aninyere nene ewejikan weni mege oni ewejikan abriba soni nínú ma no teni ne wejikan ji we be go di gbalopo we ya fe di gbalopo gbaliwe where tali kege ni ande o iri so le va ade ne buya keru wa we bege ya ngwe we aye tu ki on me ngwe na ye go ye tu ki on la e kana binere iri pan ana ibi tu wa jiban ado we e yama like in Nigeria amala ki ye Nigeria ado mu e social media na ma hia o mo sunu am bo pe nu we ninu ko na go vole le yo we gbegbe o gbegbe le ya e pure ha o wa ka ime na ya gugwa gwan ye wa lieva gwan fare wa gbere yin wona oni bute ni me ma poro me na pina nu we no kwa ne gbegbe na o e no pia we ke no pia ni de ma ni super pia ye na e dote China di ba we coronavirus ni no pia na ge o viere ma ye no yan gi o mu da to e kotigi ye be gbe e koti be gbe suti be gbe e koti no be gbe o bozoa umueri agweze wo riteme no se bowa o ona kaka bowa dame o okyo wi okwo na
owo ye gbegbe me I even find the video where for able to do the marriage whether I go stand for a man this thing take the video aladian abi on am with the video owo ye gbegbe o gbegbe reason yeah get a picture yam iye boy o mago me do kia na ave no gbegbe nene video iba mi o in Naija watch even be mu ni ge di ami be Naija watch owo ye gbegbe yeah, you get me, man. If they don't our people, they're not the year. Our brothers, our team, man. Why me? Eye coronavirus ina, aye du giome be coronavirus ina. Aye du giome a. Agmoya le runu saloba do gba ogi man. It's okay. Iye obokin aye. We talk, but that is the great social media president's wife. Oni owoke pa imam obokin aye. You understand? Ege virus ina nagbeya na inyo saloba la wowo. Ni mara gbon. Ni mi amena no fo. Ana ye la jan wa haye du giome a. Ana ye la jan wa haye du giome. Ikwe so me ma understand. I ma understand why.
Welcome to that.
Idaniya imwe. Wagene ne video. Yeah. Wagene ne video.
Se italiano c'è schifo. Italiano è vale il problema. Che schifo. Tutti quanti lo sanno. See why I did that side, that man they drive them.
Why the man not go drive them? Why the man not go drive them? Again, na way marriage. Why the man not go drive them? Stupid set of people. No. Messi. Mommy Messi Nije. It's not old video. This is new video. This thing happened today. Lixton now. Lixton. I have the video in my other phone that I'm using. Neno who oye na e ball. Oye na e ball in who. Oye big. Oye big.
Per favore. No, solo snap. Foto.
Avete fatto una cosa illegale, no? Te lo posso fare.
Devi fare il matrimonio.
Non sapete che è illegale, perché lo fate, no? Dici che non video, perché non possono videare?
Non sei tu di una guarda.
Ma non come animali, perché non devono videare? The video exists, don't mind.
Even Oyibo dey tell them ebo hamiya we because ebo moha ebo mako ne mala we ebo mako na me picture we ebo moha ebo na mi we osalo bo agize ebo rize ekene bo na gido amoha we o we ni black una ladian wado do gi on me ana do bo mu go nu we bi wa ye gbegbe na mu go no da fun mu go nu we wado we marriage u hamiya we wa ge coronavirus na ka phone una ladian wa ya we marriage ni marriage gbo ohun the marriage gbo ohun ko na o gbegbe
Even a virus, as now they put it, we supposed to snap them. Then more a picture where worry a belly life. Uncle, where you stand with your mouth? Cover my hand. Massimo, stand for front.
Even the man is even confused. He ain't even confused. Because the man is not even there. A man be ani oh big vani because va vetie na va take no kame humeri na va take no kame mumeri na va vetie na ege coronavirus na oh kame na wa mumela diana rude marriage etu ama ebie wa bielene ama iwe marriage vege na ayiwe wo sege a ayiwe ve coronavirus na afune ege coronavirus na mi ewe maybe we ije magi enje odo magi odo omo magi omo ele lo manu mu o meti movie o han o meti mu ino o meti mu du umego this coronavirus o mo agbon fefe agbon yaru wo wa ebo we stay at home. You may not see our black people, you may not worry black people in my ye boy, you go me guaye me na ye me. Do go me guaye ni majena semane. Agboyagi ye ko isi ko yiwo wa be ni mejena sisinya ya na se imagi de gbe ladian. E ko pe kan ni rijo na ya market we na ya de ni ade be supermarket ile lawa. Igwe supermarket ni jo igbale gbebe na mewe ivi arabi hin igbalun gbala ogbaliwe gbale ya ido vi aglo vi jo yobo we ami me wo e wi me no okuna na wa mo pe an ladian ona wa mo pe an ladian bebe e coronavirus na ona we no pe an lade wu must we marriage ni marriage ye tie bono wa dam yo
Mama. Mama. Gaga.
Mommy Gaga, the most beautiful.
Jennifer body.
Mama, just do.
The words of Jennifer Big Nash. What of my favor, my darling?
My baby there.
You're big there for me, yeah?
No, I don't. Now my duty be there, Robin man. In a still blue.
I beg my brother come for it. I beg you.
Daddy, Daddy, wait.
My brother be my sister. You say why the man not say no to the woman? You know say now women are they get power for Europe. Now women get power for abroad. If the man turn and say I know they go, that woman fit pursue the man come out for house. If he turn the man to homeless man, say that man not go enter that house again. That man not throw enter that house. You know say women be men. Sometimes we they want more they respect our women. Sometimes we they want more they deal with our women. Maybe say we please them. You see the man not even fit talk. The man just they confused. I've been asking waiting be this one. But wait here na. Ege coronavirus na. Ne agboya ebo fefe ya wo wa ya ridia. Yeah, but if every man, yeah, I be black, enough affect me. I be black strong. Why again Nigeria now? The coronavirus is say Nigeria ne. A coronavirus in now say Nigerian every man or say bani nenia. Eh? Oboke social media president ogume gwayo na ye boy wala wa ogume tayo na. What ogume tayo na wala wo because if every man na ya gwan eri man talk be he say eri man agwan iyan ho a governor agwan iyan ho a president agwan iyan ho even man presenter na man we gwan iyan ho stay indoor o magin stay indoor uwa be go na bi ba ye gbigbi ide de gbe pe emi na go timana o timana go aro vi yan se
timoni ko wona mi ado bo agu wa gun e wa ho well, et non, le coronavirus n'a pas tout guillaume. Elle n'a pas tout guillaume. Un coup, non. Et il m'a dit, on va aller à Gouagon, et government à Gouagon, hein? On va sous nous, et mi can't back in Wawa. Don't me speak on on a the music you are having home. They don't know who you go with the Bomulatian, and you go move Latian, almost when I see they're not people to Guillaume now. On va sous nous. Ombo sunu wa mweni Maria wa fie ya gudie kene gbe agbi Nigeria yedo Yoruba wi yedo ma pare Europe na ombo sunu na Nigeria ma gbo we gbe coronavirus na yedu gion abetu we mu irisu a we gbe no ko je no party Jennifer we o ti Jennifer big yash Jennifer sumonya shi o Yeno ko elukuluku o volele ya o yina catapult do ko von toto enwe egbuwe ma se gbe si ma boro gwan gbe waya yi po de nu wa television we re be na aninyere iba aninyere nini ewejikan we ni me do ni ewejikan abriba soni nínú ma no teni ne wejigan ji nínú ma no teni ne wejigan ji we be go di gbaliwe e we afa di gbaliwe we ri tali kege ni ande o ni so le fa ade ne boya keru wa we bege ya ngwe na we aye tu ki on me ngwe na ye go ye tu ki on la e kana binere ire pan na ana ibe tu wa ji pan ado we e yama la kiri Nigeria amala kiri Nigeria ado mo e social media na ma hian o mo sunu àwọn bo penu we nínú ko na go volele yo we gbegbe o gbegbe lele ya e pure ha o wa ka ina na ya gugwa gwan ni wa liye va gwan fare wa gbere yin wona oni buje ni me ma poro me na pina nu we no ku ani gbegbe na o e no pia we no pia ni ma ni super pia yen na e dote China di bawe coronavirus ni no pia na ge o viere ma yen no yangi o mu da to e kotigi ye begbe e koti begbe suti begbe e kotigi no begbe o bozua umweri agweze wo riteme no sebo wa ona kaka bo wa dame okyo wi okwo na
una see 2 times when I first come out I do about 10 minutes, I'll be 20 minutes video. Now the advert when people bring come for me, make I do. Now be that one when I do. They say me I talk about coronavirus, just a short message, maybe 10 seconds or 20 seconds. Now I take come out for that live video, those short live video. I do and finish, I send and go give them. Then I delete them. That is just an advert when they bring come for me, say me I help them do. About coronavirus, make them for send out to Africa, send out all over the world, make everybody for know, make everybody for they aware. You understand? It may no worry who is so, it may no worry here. Ege coronavirus na agmo ya ge ko iwo hin kere we na una la de o ma gbaliwe o ma bi mi yo bo wa ya do gi on me. Man, our people black people with their stupid mentality, not be all some of them with their useless mentality. Una dey feel say na get sense, pass una not get any sense. Una not get any brain. You understand? This time around, so when everywhere, nowhere they save, this sickness go all over the world. Everybody they pray, Baba God, come save us, Baba God, come save us. Now you carry your husband, come out. If you true love this man, you carry this man, go put for risk. You carry this mago for risk. For me, you're pouring for your hand. Amayiwe common marriage. Anawe traditional marriage. Emma. Amawe common marriage. If they don't do that common marriage when they do now, they do traditional marriage. If time come, you not good. You not good. Pass this one way. You go expose yourself, your children, and your husband to death. You go expose them to death. If una not see man now, una go not see man. If una see man, una go dey expose them to problem. Una go dey expose them to death. Which kind sense? Okay, which kind sense this woman now can't get now? This kind of fat woman now, which sense she can't get now? And maybe they can't need join married women. Maybe they say I be one of the married women in Europe. Yes, you say say our people now brainwash people. They believe say they are covered with their blood of Jesus. Yes, with religion mind. That is true. But in this case, my people, nobody will not believe in Jesus. Nobody will not believe in God. But this one now will be say, this sickness, they pass breeze, they come. This sickness no big man. This sickness no poor man. This sickness no small pikin. This sickness no big person. You understand? This sickness not a sickness maybe say they spread, they go. If you touch person or you touch where they something day or person when he affect you touch her or where that person touch you go touch that place you go catch the sickness. You go catch the sickness. I see they see so many of our brothers, so many of our sisters. They see they walk out for streets. Go look India now. India now they come. They look what they have for India. Let me show you guys. What they have for India now. May you see, I see them want to tackle their own. Let me show you guys what they have for India. Let me show you guys. See India. See the one will happen to all this mosque with them. Well, let me show you guys. Don't be all this one when they see so. Let me see. See this one. See these ones, guys. Because stay at home. They don't want to stay at home. They have to come and destroy their things. See this one. See this other one, guys. See this other ones. Our people, if you never they beat there, see this other one. They go tell them say stay house. Una no go stay. If they must have they beat them like cow, they destroy their property, they destroy everything. Our people, they no go ever stay house. And this thing now, if Nigeria as our leaders just talking with man say everybody stay indoor, this, that, you'll see and say people will see they go when people will see them when they go break, they'll still go the open store, they'll still they walk up and down, they'll still I just they pray and make this thing not circulate past as it be so for our country Nigeria. Because if it circulate past like this, when we say our politicians now, our governor, our president, they not put any machineries in ground. Just imagine now, since when Buhari catch this coronavirus now, Buhari they UK now. They don't carry Buhari come UK now. Obaseki when he our Edo State governor no get Obaseki now. That one don't contact this virus now. That one he still there now. Then they treat that one. You understand? Because all these people they get money. I just they pray maybe say the innocent poor citizen may they not catch this sickness for Nigeria. Because if they catch her, now God now go save their life. Because there's no good hospital, there's no facilities to tackle this sickness. And most of our people don't even know what you call this coronavirus. If you go ask them and say, Madam, wetin make you the house or wetin make your children the house, he go tell you say he don't know. If you want to, you will say they say na chloroquine virus when they go. So go say na colomu virus. So go say na okoto. So different because they not get their awareness. Awareness no dey. They not tell them say see how they prevent am, see this thing, see that. That is why I do that advert for those people free of charge. They not pay me $1, they not pay me $2. I just want for them free of charge to send go everywhere so that our people go know say if you they go out, tie your nose, put hand glove for hand, and stay away from crowd, stay away from people. Maybe if you stand now, give people chance, give people yard. You understand? And make sure they wash your hand regularly with soap and water. You understand? Because if not, if this thing spread, if Europe or America and London not fit tackle this issue, now Africa when we say our politicians, all of them they are corrupt. Now they want to solve this issue. When we say we will not get facilities to tackle this sickness. When we say we will not get good hospital to tackle this sickness. That is why I dey pray. I just dey pray, may God, may save we the Africans, may save we the Nigerians. When they house, not be may guide us, may protect us. Our family may they back home, may protect them. Because if you catch this sickness for our brothers still get equipment rich. Many people still they die, thousands they die, hundreds they die. Many people are losing their life every day in this Europe country that we have. People are losing their life. People are dying like ants. People are dying, guys. People are dying. If you don't know, people are dying in mostly this European country where we dey so. Italy now not get space for hospital again. Everywhere is full of sick patients of coronavirus. Spain not get vacancy for hospital again. Everywhere is full of everywhere is full of corona patients. You understand? All over the country, everywhere is full of corona patients. So we only believe in God. We only hope in God. We only pray to God to come and save us because nobody is free in all of this now. Nobody. Just imagine now, children when they go school now, they stop them. People when they go work now, they stop them. Okay, now, if this thing, as they say 1 month now, 1 month can't reach, people not, this coronavirus not finish. They can't say more stairs again for another 1 month. Coronavirus not finish. They can't say more stairs again for another 1 month. Now only hungry. Now hungry, now we first start to keep people. Hungry, we first start to keep people for house. Because money where people get now, you don't use and finish. You know they go work. You know they come out. How you want this money to eat? You see, I say, hungry, start to keep people up and down. Eh? Even now, people now will be say that they stroke, that they do giro, that they do exercise now. No of them fit do exercise again. People go just they die up and down. They say na coronavirus. Most time, not be coronavirus, they kill them na loneliness. Because person when they engage 24/7, if they work 24/7, now, you know they go work again. If they ask every time, thinkness we kill her. You understand? Because most of us now, if we feel headaches more now, we'll say, God, maybe na coronavirus, maybe na coronavirus. From there, thickness go kill the person. Maybe the person get cough and katana, you say, God, maybe na coronavirus now the person carry now, now the person carry now. The person go die before the sickness go even come. Thickness go often kill person. You understand? Because the news is everywhere. Coronavirus. Person when you sick fever, doesn't have coronavirus. Person when you just get malaria, doesn't have coronavirus. So people are afraid. I know that coronavirus is real. We know that coronavirus is real. Yes, but protect yourself. Keep praying. Keep praying to God. That is just a short message, guys. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for viewing. Thank you for your comments. And may the peace of the Lord be with you all in Jesus' name.